fucking chalk can't help. Fucking grind this shit up already. More water.
I don't think it's powerful enough, Skylar.
I don't think so either. We should put fucking weed whacker into that dish.
I guess she'll suck down that macaroni and cheese someone made.
What about this jar? You think that?
I think it might.
Break it. Break the fucking
I can't
jar.
believe you're gonna wash it. I just throw it away.
I'm spooning on. Fuck it. It's leave it. What's that?
Battery.
Oh, where's your battery off? Fuck. No hog care. Fucking buy new shit. Fucking Zelda fucking buy all that shit.
Hey, what happened to the broken cup? Can you put it back in the cupboard?
No, it's in your garbage. You wanna put it in the fucking... Wanna put it in the cupboard? Put it in the fucking... You watch it right now.
Hey, Skylar.
Get over it.
I think you dropped this.
Yeah. Look at that. Dirty cup on the floor now. I fucking just washed that.
Skylar, I think you dropped that.
Not enough. Give me a fucking sink. Give me a toilet. Bring that fucker out here. I'm washing that too.
You just want to wash it in the bathtub or what?
That's not
Give
gonna
me a
work.
bathtub.
That's
Give me
not gonna work
something.
at
Hey, got that thing about the microwave that someone got all dirty.
What the fuck is that? Come here. More fucking shit. Fucking hole. Fuck. Clean.
Just go look at that bag over there by Brock then.
What's in that fucking... Give me a fucking thing.
No, look at the other one. It's all fucking...
Give me a whole fucking bag. Give me this part.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Fucking shit. Where's this room? I'm gonna put that fucking shit in the room.
It's next to yours.
We'll fucking set it in the goddamn driveway. Fuck it. Fuck that.
Get out of there.
I didn't realize he's been recording the whole time. Get it all up in there.
I know, you should grab me a charger for mine so I can plug it in. There's one behind the couch. We'll get him as he comes back in. I'll turn the flash on. Oh, here he comes. Did you get it there, Slippery?
Huh?
Did you get it?
Yeah. Not as strong.
Now we can't let Chunk go.
Where it is over here.
The fuck are you looking for?
Phone charger.
Behind the sectional,
They're everywhere in the
by the
fucking
table.
Why the fuck are you charging your phone? You don't pay rent.
Yeah.
You don't eat here.
Charger.
You don't eat here.
I cleared it.
Goddamn pink cup. All fucking blue. Fucking look like goddamn clown house. Fucking thing.
Yeah, I found it.
Who the fuck shit is this?
Plug it in right there.
Whose is this?
I don't know.
Fuck it. Map case in the fucking trade now. Lit.
Ouch.
How much video do you think a phone can record?
I don't know, we're gonna find out.
Why are you videotaping? Fucking video.
Yeah, Adam, why are you videotaping him?
I don't know.
Fucking this. Yeah.
You want to share your thoughts with us, Skylar?
Want me to hold back?
No, don't hold back.
Do you eat here, Skylar?
What's in a great fucking millennium? Whatever the fucking millennium is.
Millennium.
Now you're gonna sit there
Hey,
and
it
be
smells like
autocorrect
bleach in here, Skylar. How do you swim in bleach?
like that. Fucking shit. Ew!
Oh, that was that stinky bowl, wasn't
That's
it?
the fucking nasty ass fucking bowl that somebody doesn't fucking eat here. Nobody fucking eats here, obviously. Yeah, we end up with dirty fucking dishes. Where's my fucking spitter? Oh, shoot. Fucking Grizzly can't even fix this shit.
You're just funny to watch.
Hey, you're so fucking happy.
That's because he don't eat here.
I don't eat here either, but now it smells like a pool.
Fuck. Let's go swimming.
You need to show us again.
Fucking, no. Yeah, fucking. Anybody want to cut their wrist? Anybody?
I could volunteer someone, but it ain't me.
All I know is whoever decided to make this fucking kitchen a disaster should
It
get
smells like a hotel lobby.
It does, actually.
My eyes are bleeding.
I can smell bleach now.
Good. Shit.
How many dishes you got over there now?
Like 6. I've seen about 6. How many have I thrown?
I'm gonna go with 1, 2.
Spud!
Go dog!
Got it. I caught that fucker with my teeth.
Don't worry, nothing broke.
Not yet.
Chunk it. Skylar, you're leaking soap on the floor.
Skylar, you got some.
Fuck!
Hey, Skylar.
Isn't that fucking...
I know you're all high and... I know you're all high and mighty to use a dishwasher thing, but
We do have a dishwasher.
washer.
Don't worry about it, I got it. I got
Hey,
it.
Skylar, you want a spoon?
I got it.
No, I don't want to fucking...
Hey, duck.
Yeah.
You want
Dog!
You want a fork?
Damn!
Hoppa! Hey-oh!
God, that fucking thing goes fucking flip over. Stay the fuck in the corner. Shit.
Wash that.
Fucking crap out of here. Fucking tinfoil bitch. Fucking cup. Get in the fucking thing. Such a dumbass. Take the fucking garage rag and go outside and clean something. Clean a 4-wheeler or something.
Why don't you go shovel the side of it?
I don't drive 4-wheeler here.
I don't pay rent here.
$1.
Hey, that cup is clean.
I took my shirt off.
Hey, Skylar.
Fucking thing. Fucking shit.
I think you dropped it.
Thanks, Brock. Glad you're picking up on shit.
Hey, Skylar, what are you doing with all that milk in the fridge? That one's junk.
What do you want me to do with that?
Wash it.
That thing again.
Would you be interested in shutting the shed off? We're going to Subway and getting food.
Next time the fucking toilet's plugged, I'll use a fucking plug. Fuck her up plugged, and then.
And then pay rent?
Oh, and I thought it?
I was gonna dump that in there.
I thought about it. She's there fucking to make me think first.
Hey, Skylar, you never answered.
What?
What are you gonna do with the 4 gallons of dirty milk?
Dirty milk?
Or rotten milk?
I
Expired.
just shut the shed off. I'm
Oh,
not
fucking goddamn. Put it in the fucking.
Leave it in there till it explodes?
Hey, Skirt, you forgot something. No,
I'm gonna take that milk. Leave it. Where I'm gonna set it up.
you know what you should do is you should just fucking put it right on there.
That fucking goddamn shit that's fucking sitting in the god. He can run that fucker out. I don't care. Cords are coming now.
You missed it. Skylar took all his zucchini and put it out in his parking
You
spot.
should put the milk there.
You should put the milk there.
Fuck. You know, I ain't got too much time. See, I'm making it sound
What do
like
you
I got.
got to do?
Clinton dish.
That was a pretty good shot. You gotta admit that landed pretty
What do you
well.
want me to do? Fucking dry it off for
Yeah,
you?
there you go.
Yeah. Eat with it.
Ow! That was my eyeball, you spoon fuck. Thanks, shot.
Hey, there's a fork over there too.
You want a fork, Skylar?
Fork yourself.
I have the night already. Do you want?
You need something to set the fucking dishes on. What'd you say? Fucking attitude. Got everything on that. Good thinking, bro. I'm just gonna.
My hair's
Fucking.
in my hat. My hair's getting cold.
You're gonna play Connecto wrench. You're
No.
fucking. Fucking ball. Stay on the cops.
Oh.
The monster's throwing shit back at you.
I don't even know what that's for.
Butter.
One cup.
One cup.
Where is she?
Don't throw bleach at her. That'll wreck her shit.
Yeah.
Fine.
You got some on the counter. You're safe.
You're safe.
We yelled at him.
Supposed to play fucking Connecto cup over.
Casey!
Did anybody else hear that? Kind of curious. Did anybody else hear that?
I think someone died, Skylar.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I think the fucking house just grenaded.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I threw air at you.
Stay out later. Scrubby, dubby.
Scrubby dubby dubby dubby.
Matrix in here.
Watch out. That thing's dangerous like this too. You know. That's not what I'd be worried about. I'd be worried about that key. You know, some fucking pesky keys around this fucking house. Fucking not no bleach on this fucking house. Where the fuck to put up? Use this bleach.
Some of that.
Why do you need a fucking toothpick? You said you don't eat here. God, you're a fucking idiot. That don't fucking make sense.
Work, work, work. All day long. Work, work, work. Bicycles.
Butter that, bitch.
We don't need to have Zelig here. We just need to be able to be mad at him, and we have the best time ever.
Oh, so there it was.
There's a cup over here.
Hey, can you wash this? Hey. Hey, you. Are you supposed to be able to wash one of these?
Just throw it
Can you wash my balls with your mouth?
Probably if you wanted to. Hey, Skylar, you missed.
This thing don't work for fuck. Fucking glasses tip over.
That's my her.
They're gonna be bleach
I
blonde.
need to get my hurry did.
They're gonna be bleach blonde, bro.
Lip bone. Trust. You set the cups.
I don't know, usually on the counter, because that's where they always
Normally I'd rewash them because they hit the ground and.
Those are the ones that are on the fucking floor.
And then you wash them.
Skylar, I don't feel like dying tonight.
I don't either. I don't either, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. I can smell bleach now pretty good.
Fuck it. Give me this. Hold it up.
Oh, we got paper towels.
I didn't buy it. What do I care?
What are you doing, making a mummy?
Make it someplace that's that fucking shit.
Hey, Skylar, if the
I'm gonna wait a fucking month and a half before I take it off the counter for fuck's sake.
if the counter is wet and you're gonna try and dry them off, on
Yeah,
a wet
shut
paper
your
towel.
fucking pie hole. God, you talk with fuck all the time.
That's why you put 2 layers of paper towel.
Skylar, I got this. We're gonna clean it off properly.
Put the fucking Swiffer back.
Put one on
Put
there.
the fucking Swiffer
Put one
back.
on there.
Put the fucking Swiffer back.
You just need to calm down. I'm gonna lint your shirt for you. Don't worry.
Don't lift my foot in your ass.
Lip or lint?
Lift.
Yeah, limp already. Hey, Skylar, you looking for dish rags?
Them are dusting rags, Brock.
Fucking work.
It ain't the same.
I mean anything and everything. It's
Yeah, that's
fucking-
where you.
Hello!
Yeah! No, that's where you dust off your lamp or like
What he said.
right here. On chair.
Rinse and shit. It's a fuck card.
Ah, damn it.
Which there was ice There's probably ice cream in there. It's probably good for it. Or is there sugar?
Ah! Get it away!
Or is there
Get
sugar?
out of here!
Somebody's over on our side.
Brock.
You know, somebody's
You
gonna
need to
die
calm
from eating all
down.
that bleach.
Hmm?
Somebody's gonna die from eating all that bleach.
They don't eat here.
Oh, that's right.
If nobody fucking eats here, why would you die from bleach? Are you fucking out of your mind? What are you, stupid? What are you, fucking amateur?
I'm an idiot, sorry. Which those are in there since fall.
Fuck
Yeah.
it.
Those are the 10-pound potatoes.
Put them on and dad do this spud gun.
Don't on the one.
Yeah, we'll plant potatoes in spring.
We have our own potato patch.
Throw them on the field.
Did you see what he did with those things in the brown bag?
Oh,
were
threw them out and saw like sparkling spot?
Yeah.
You got a problem?
No, I think it's hilarious.
Bye. Who the fuck in the right goddamn mind broke this? Perfectly
I
broke
use that for
fucking
work.
goddamn.
Not the moon or not.
You see this? Fucking
It is quite clear who did this.
dog is gonna eat goddamn plastic.
The ghost.
I can show you who did it.
Stupid boy.
Let me look.
What are you looking at?
How much time you got?
I don't know. I'm still going.
Fucking video days?
No. Just a screenshot.
Screenshot.
Watch, Skylar, watch. You disappeared.
Holy hell! I can zoom.
Weird. That's what you get when you
Dumbass.
get a smartphone there, bud.
Quality's really shitty, or Skylar just doesn't look that good.
Yeah, it's hit and miss.
I think right there. Shows who broke it.
Crazy.
Any last thoughts, Skylar? You're approaching 20 minutes.
You don't eat here.
You don't eat here. It's not already clean. It's not. Clean it again. Here, here's the last one. Last will and testimony where I fucking killed Ellis, end up in prison.
Skylar, why is the floor all wet?
Damn it.
And what do you see? You wash your tools. You just is a tool we measure
Skylar?
oil.
Can you wrench that tool out of the sink for me?
We use this to measure our oil. This,
What else do you use?
this here is the oil pan. Most folks call it cereal bowls. Us, we call it oil pans.
What else you got in there?
What about a plate?
There's a plate. Now just gonna hold in your nuts and bolts. Look at that fucker. Now we use this. Connect over.
What's a
Fucking don't work.
What's a knife for?
A knife? That's for cutting them pesky hoses up. What the fuck is this? Another thing for fucking fixing your shit?
Gonna have more bleach.
Goddamn fucking shit.
And the sink that in there, man.
Well, there goes our oil pan.
That's not an oil pan, you dumbass! This is an oil pan. This is a hose cutter, but there's food on it. Nobody eats here, I thought. Somebody.
Was eating an oil pan.
Fucking fuck tired. No, fucking goddamn fuck place. I swear. Place ought to be called the Boy Man because everybody's getting fucked.
Everybody really doesn't. It's just one old guy.
Open a fucking oval red box. Anybody up for some fucking goddamn?
Popcorn?
Does that look like popcorn to you?
We'll take a close inspection.
Does that look like fucking popcorn to you? Don't
That
look
looks like baby shit.
Fucking disgusting. That look like popcorn to you?
Oh, not really.
You know, Skylar, if you put a garbage bag in the garbage can,
That's all going in the old parking spot.
Put a garbage bag in your fucking mouth hole.
That's gonna be his traffic cones where he can't park.
mm-hmm.
Let's watch that here.
Go!
Somebody's on the air. I don't. You fucking. Out of your goddamn mind?
Sorry. What the hell?
Another fucking dish, bro. No, never mind. Oil pan still good. Skittles. Don't fucking eat around here. What's wrong with you? You live off the grass. You graze, man.
No, I'm losing weight. There's no gas on.